In this video, I want to show you which are the main important things that you need to do when you arrive home after the grocery shopping or your mailbox in order to prevent bringing the virus inside. When we arrive home, we take off our shoes, and in a box at the entrance we leave wallet and all keys. We leave the grocery shopping and the mail on top of a surface that we can after clean or wash in the laundry, and before touching anything we go and wash our hands. And ideally we want to take a shower, take off the clothes that we have outside and put it in the laundry at 40 Celsius or at least 105 Fahrenheit to get rid of the virus. And then after we come back to clean our packages and our groceries, so you want to have a box that is prepared with some gloves, can be gardening gloves or disposable gloves or these kitchen gloves. Then paper towels and antimicrobial antiviral spray to get rid of the virus that is coming in the bags or the packages. So how do you make your antiviral spray? Basically, to make the antiviral spray, we just need bleach, water, and a container where you are gonna put the spray. I usually don't like using bleach because it can pass the brain barrier and cause a lot of toxicity. But this spray is really diluted. So basically what we need is to mix 25 milliliters of bleach with 1 liter of water, and the bleach can be the conventional bleach that we have at home, that is 5 to 6%. That has been shown that is enough to kill the virus. So 1 tablespoon is about 15 milliliters. So I'm gonna put 2. So I have my 25 milliliters here, and I'm just gonna pour 1 liter of water. And this is it. Here we have already our antiviral spray. Never combine bleach with vinegar. When we are mixing the bleach with an acid such as vinegar, creates chlorine gas, which is really toxic, can burn your eyes and your lungs, and can be deadly at high levels. Put your gloves on. Take the bag with the groceries. If it's a reusable bag, you can always put it in the laundry and wash it. Otherwise, if it's a plastic bag that you are gonna keep, you get some paper towel, spray, and then take the handles. I went to the grocery store and I was the only one touching this bag, but if you are ordering online, be sure you clean all the bags where all the food is coming, or if they are delivering at your door. So whenever you go to a supermarket, be sure you are also taking your gloves, because we open doors, we touch carts, we touch baskets, and a lot of people that may have the virus is touching in there. So be sure that you also touch it. When you go to pick up your mail, be also sure that you put your gloves on. Then we clean every single packet, everywhere where people can touch. If you order something or bought something like vegetables, any produce in a plastic bag, if you touch the bag, it's okay. But if you order the food, probably somebody was touching it. So be sure that you are cleaning wherever they touch. Cans, packages, anything. And then we do the same with the mail. Get rid of the mail that you don't want, And then for the one that you wanna keep, spray a paper towel, take the envelopes, go through them, and then be sure that you cut a little edge. Here it is here. This, where you are gonna be cutting the envelope. Then you take your gloves safely. So do it in a way that you don't touch your skin. You take the first one out, and then with this side that we didn't touch is the one that you pull the other one. That was hard. All right, and now you can dispose them or wash them really well with a little bit of soap and the microbial spray. So now you and everybody at your home is safe.